Hi guys, so I'm gonna be doing a high puff. I'm going to work, so I'm gonna be quick. So I have a bit of gel that is left over here, but yeah, I have not done my bed, so don't come for me. I'm using this. It's anti-jerkies, not on my watch. Instead, it's a detangling therapy. I use it for detangling my hair now. And then I just comb out my hair from the end. So I'm just gonna be doing that until I'm satisfied. Just pouring a little bit of it. We don't want our hair to be wet because it's our shrinker. We don't want it to be wet, we just want it to be combable. Is there such thing as combable though? And yes, but we can make it not bad. Demands. Someone requested for this video on my WhatsApp, so I was like, why don't I do it today? Because I always do my hair in the morning before I go to work, so I might as well record and then that's it. I'm gonna be using a shoelace for unqanda. That's bakuthina unqanda kesana ngesilungu, but I'm gonna be using that. Having flake from the gel I used today, but okay. I'm not gonna be using any gel today. I just want to be as quick as possible. You can also detangle with your hands, but it's also safe to do that. Hey, you guys, can you share my video on Nivea Skin Influencer site? I entered there, so can you guys please go there and share and like? You vote by liking. The Chelonai ring light, because of that, was busy recording. But guess since it was my first time doing this whole thing of entering things, I took so long trying to perfect the whole video. So my ring light charger, it heated up, and then there was just a mess. Yo, now I just have to buy another one, or just have to check with the stores if they have the charger, and check if it's just the charger that had a problem or it's the entire ring light. I just hope it's just the charger, because yo, I don't have the energy and the money to buy any. But so we'll see. I just woke up, you guys, yo, and my voice is not doing the thing. In terms of it's a shoelace. I'm gonna use it for unqanda. It's this long. So what I basically do, take back up, and then tighten the back. then you hold it up. But don't be too tight, and then tight again. Just make sure that you don't tie your hair, because this is our kauka when you're taking it off. And then if I get on a pants, I'll just put it under, even this side. If I get up, and then after that, this is what I do. So just make sure that my hair is even. This is how I do it. I'm not wearing any makeup to work today because I'm just gonna quickly. So I'm just gonna quickly dress up. I don't think I'm gonna do makeup. Won't have the time. But this is how I basically do it. Simple and easy. I hope it was easy like that. Please do subscribe and do suggest also which videos must I do, and like and comment and do the most.